Yeah, we don't have a lot of coal. True. Okay. I do remember that they were, for some reason or another, going over here. And I do not know why. Scrap's building up quite nicely. Yes, we've got a piece of coal. Right, what have we got in the way of a few... Oh, blaze rods. We'll use those. They're fuel. Up we go up the ladder. Let's take the screwdriver out of there. Blaze rods. Blaze rods. Okay, so we put the coal in there. Now we put blaze rod in there. Now we'll just make some coal. Lots of coal. Drop the coal on the floor as well, just for good measure. Take the blaze rods out again. And we will right, we need to macerate some coal. So we've got the dust. Okay. Got the copper. Take the iron out. That's not quite enough, I don't think. So we'll stick that in there and stick that in there. Make lots of coal dust. And see, I'm getting rather confused as to what it is I am doing. As always in Tekkit, it is confusing. I think I need another dust, but that's okay. We can. Oh yes, that'll do us. Okay, so we do that, and that. Gives us another one of those. Put that on that. Gives us another one of those. And we put them in the compressor, and very slowly it compresses for us. Hooray! So yeah, we're getting somewhere at last once again. Whoo! We almost need another thing in the sorting facility to take out dust soon. I don't know. 2 of those. We've already got 2 of the advanced alloys, which is marvellous. We're going to need more, but I don't know. The electrolyzer for some reason isn't working. Where are these things going? Oh, okay. I'll take that out as well. Yeah, return to sender. What I'll do actually is I'll just put the copper ore back in there, which I think, yep, that's where it's travelling to, because I put the coal in the macerator. Gotta love pneumatic pipes rather than the Buildcraft ones. Still sending in loads of stuff. There's a point. Do we need to fill up the recycler? Probably. Oh yes. Take one of those. Let's just fill up. Okay. Swap that with that. In it goes, in it goes, in it goes, in it goes. And done. We'll put the other one in the recycler. And we're away! Hooray! In it goes. There's just so much to do all at once. And that's the way the cookie crumbles, I guess. Okay, what are we doing? I can't remember. At least I can. That goes in there like that. No, we don't want to do that though, do we? So we want 2 of those, one either side of that, and one over there, and one over there, and that makes us one of those. Hooray! Right, the compressor's not doing anything at the moment. So where is it? Take that off a hotbar. Put the wrench on and zzz. Oh, good. I don't like the way things just drop off like that. So we take that off. Put the wall back. That. Oh, but no! Done. There's going to be a machine going there. And it's going to have a redstone torch in front of it. So, Singularity Compressor. Okay, yep, gotcha. So we put that there, and then all around the edge we want to put obsidian. A Singularity Compressor. Right, I'm sure we will be using the compressor again soon. That's got no PSIs, so we need a redstone torch. I don't even have a stick, which is frustrating. Wow, okay, let's make some sticks. And we'll pop a redstone torch on there. Very basic Minecraft here. I'm going to take a redstone torch. And then we'll knock them back off. Okay, back up the stairs we go. And as with the other machines, this is now going to thingy up. Thingy up, yes, that's a thing. And we'll take that out of there, that out of there. Marvellous. 31. It's always 31, isn't it? Now then, just in case, what we'll see, I don't know what that max is up to, but it's going to be a hell of a lot quicker now. Well, it's already quicker. And it's just going to keep getting faster and faster and faster as the PSI builds up. Now, the only issue is now is we've got 3 of these upgraded machines running at once. Our power is still increasing. Oh, is it? Jumps down to 1. Goes from 6, 7, 2. It is still going up ever so slightly, but I'm sure at night that's going to change. And it's becoming night now. As I can hear from the cricket. But wow, look at it go. Pshong! That's brilliant. Anything in that? Yes. Take that out of there. Right, are we going to put anything in the induction furnace? Do we want some more iron? Yeah, why not? Everyone wants more iron. We'll stick some more copper in. Copper's going. Lovely jubbly. And we'll keep that dust. So it's time to put everything back in the sorting facility. We'll take that out as well. This, for some reason, is not working, and I don't understand why. Does it need to be powered? Is it not a build? Is it a build craft? Because if it's build craft, it needs powering by redstone engine. We can try. We can try. We'll give it a go. What's the worst that could happen? I don't know why it's not working. It doesn't seem to make any sense. Oh no. That's not it. It's not even connected to it properly. Damn it. Crescent hammer or wrench or whatever the hell it's called in this. We'll go and do that quickly. Down here we go. Is it? Did it go in there? No, it didn't. Right, it's in one of these chests which is unsorted. We need to do some sorting. There it is. Let's get rid of Archangel Smite. Arch Nemesis. What the hell? Why is nothing oh, bloody... Ugh. Why is nothing working all of a sudden? I don't understand. I'll stick down the redstone torch. Maybe that'll make it work. No! It's being retarded! Can I use the... Nope. How about that? I give up. I give up on that. I obviously need to look into it as to why it isn't working. Not even filling up with power. Don't even know why. Meanwhile, this is ticking down quite substantially. So I'm going to skip the night again. No! We wanted to go and see how our nano armor stands up to being destroyed. I have no... I have too much stuff on me. Oh look! Yay! Iron, that can go in. Let's get rid of that. That uses some space. Don't like... Oh my god, that was close! Where's my Archangel Smite? There we go, we killed Mr. Creeper. He's knocking about outside my factory. Terrible. Ah yes, to activate it, right click. Forgot. Right, we're off to find a bad guy. Oh, come on, Creeper. Come and destroy me. Let's see how much damage we take from this. 1 heart. 1 heart of damage, folks. That's amazingly not a lot. There's a zombie. They hit a bit harder, do they? Hey, come on, Mr. Zombie. Oh. He will kill me eventually, will he? No. I'm regenerating faster than he can hurt me. Bugger off. Oh, he took a hit. Pew. Okay. So, it's not the best armor in IC2, but it's pretty good. You missed. Ow. That's what I think about your skills. Bam. 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 Oh, I could do this for ages. Just going hunting. Let's level. That's another thing we could do with the levels. I think enchanting is in the game. So we could enchant, but is it really worth it? This is such an old copy anyway. So we'll just pick up all that stuff. We can't pick up the rotten zombie flesh because we're carrying some dirt, which is pretty worthless. So we'll get rid of that. Right. I'm going to go up here and see if we've got any red matter, because if we've got that, we can cross it off the list. Falling down, bang. Not yet. I don't even know how close we are to red matter, but let's find out. That's the wrong thing. There we go. Red matter. Oops, red. Oh, there we go. That's red matter. Okay, so we could make it now. And in fact, we're going to. Or are we? No, we're not going to. We'll do that another time. So I'm just gonna toy with making some more dark matter. So thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you next time we delve back into Tekkit. Just to... Oh, we got confused. Just for fun, really. I don't really know what we'll do next time. I'll decide at the time. Weird. Okay, so I will catch you next time, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again. Goodbye!